Good evening all. So today I want to tell about mobile phone. According to me, mobile phone is very beneficial for us because we did so many things because of mobile. Like as you all know, we are students, so mobile help us in our online classes, and nowadays it will help us in so many cases. Like there are so many platforms in which student also win money and also did so many things for their life. Like if I talk about one platform, it is Winzo, as my one former said about it. So on Winzo, the student also win so many types of prizes. Because of it, there are so many students or people who used to become rich because of this type of app. And we all know about so many social media app like Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Because of it, there are so many people who used to be an actor or actress, as you know about Jannat Jubair, Urfi Javed, and so on. The people who wants to do anything, they also do with the help of small thing like mobile phone. If the person can't do anything in their life, so the big help or even the God is in front of you can't do anything. Like first of all, take an example of like children. If the children wants to be study, so he or she can be study with the help of mobile, or even he or she didn't have mobile, she also can did it. But the person did not want to study, so he or she cannot be studied. And if I take an example of elder person, nowadays we all know the mobile has the that type of opportunity in which elder people used to send their resume on the companies, and so many companies which was only work on mobile phone. As our sir uploaded so many videos on Instagram and YouTube too. Because of this, there are so many people who used to interact with us and join this coaching. Because of this, we so many student also take beneficial. Like you all know, you maybe you all know heard about there one rickshaw wala beta used to cross or passed IPS or IAS. I don't know about this type of thing. So he used to study with the help of mobile. Now you can think, if the person have the capability or opportunity that he wants to grab the thing, so he can do anywhere. And we just also have to do this type of thing. As the last point, I just only want to say it, if we use mobile phone in excess, so only that time the phone is harmful for us. And as per my view, in so many ways the mobile phone is beneficial for us. Thank you.